Hey, so today I want to show you guys how to paint a snake pattern on the back of your bow. It doesn't take very much equipment to do that. I've got a stencil to put on the back, made out of an old garage sale sign so it doesn't mess up like it would if it was cardboard. I've got some masking tape, a couple of snaky colors, some sort of lace put across the back. Found this at the craft store. I usually use wire ties or something as I wrap the lace around to tie on the back. And if it's big enough, you can use the clips. So the first thing I'll do is mask off the bow, and for that I'll take it inside and put it on the vise. Okay, I got my bow in the vise. I'm gonna just take some masking tape and go right along this backing and cover up all the main parts of the bow so I don't get paint on them, and just leave the backing exposed. Okay guys, once you have that bow all masked off with tape, you might just go over and make sure the edges are down good all the way along the limbs. If they're gapped open, you just have to clean it up afterwards. There's a little bit right there, a little bit right there I got to get down, a little bit right there too. Okay, and then just for the first step, just paint it black. I figured my air conditioner would come on right when I'm doing this. Alright guys, I got this netting on here. I'll show you the back side. It's just that I wire tied it on there. I'm going to try to get it on as snug as you can so you don't have any lumps or anything on there. It'll paint nicer. This one looks like it's already been painted, but it hasn't. It's from the last time I used this netting. The bow is actually just all black right now, and so we're going to paint a lighter color over the top of this netting onto that black back. Okay, now we can just let that dry. Alright guys, so we're ready for the last coat of paint. I will say, in the video, this paint looks white. It's supposed to be an almond color, and I think I probably haven't settled on the color I really like yet, but it's a good color for the demonstration. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the stencil. This stencil is, like I said, made out of a garage sale sign, so it's more durable than using a piece of cardboard or something, plus it's a little flexible. And then I've got fender washers taped on either end so I can lay it on there without it falling off on me. So we're just gonna lay this on here and just do our best to keep it as centered as we can on here and lay them flat. And if I didn't say it, the netting's still on there. We don't take that off till we're completely done. And then just overspray that. And then just go right on down the line. We can just line up the diamonds and keep that in the center. Oops. When we get to the center of the handle, I like to go start at the other end and bring it back. Okay, that's it for the paint. So Now we got to patiently wait for it to dry, and then we can take all that netting off and the masking tape off and see what we got. All right, I love this part. I want to give you guys an idea what we get to see when we take this netting back. Pull that off of there, and our little fake scales show up really, really well. If you guys can see that pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and get the masking tape off and give you another look at it. Alright guys, that's the end of this project. I like the way it turned out. The only thing I have maybe left to do on this thing is, if you've got any place where the paint kind of escaped, got inside the masking tape, you can take a little scraper of some kind. This is a sharpened hacksaw blade, and just work on those areas. Get it right down. There's probably some little ones all the way along there, and you can just get those right even. Otherwise, pretty good project, pretty fun project. And thank you so much for watching.